Evidently, what you believe about truth is an important area where personality can influence how you form your worldviews. So keep thinking about this as we progress through this course. And for now, let's look a little bit deeper into the distinction between absolute truth versus relative truth. If a person believes that the truth of gravity is not absolute and can depend on what they personally believe, then they could jump off of a building and then assume that they would not be harmed. But of course, you and I know that they will be hurt and maybe killed because the law of gravity is true, regardless of what the person believes. We recognize that no one's opinions about gravity has bearing on the consequences of jumping off of a building. To this you might say, yes, of course. I agree that there are absolute laws that govern the physical world. I guess when I see truth as relative, I'm mainly referring to moral truths or truths about the abstract aspects in our world. Because in these areas, we can't use science to prove something to be true. So, in these instances, what is right and wrong is relative and will be different for each person in each situation. While you have said that you believe that truth is relative and dependent on the person's perspective of the situation, in the physical world where we have science and visible evidence of the truth, like gravity, you do believe that truth is absolute and not dependent on what any person believes.